Hi there, cat friends. As the Japanese would say, oi sashiburi. It's been a long time. So this video is long overdue. Like Christmas time, I was meant to make it, and I didn't. So here I am now, making this video. So many of you will know I like cats. Okay, I wouldn't say I just like cats. I have a very unhealthy obsession, because I don't quite have 20 of them yet, but I have an obsession with cats. And there is an Etsy seller that my mum got me into a couple of years ago called ilikeCATS. So he's, I'm guessing, an independent artist, does all these really cute cat themed just everything. And my mum got me my first few things a couple of years ago at Christmas, and ever since then my obsession with this brand has just exploded. And pretty much whenever something new comes out and I've been paid, I'ma buy it. So Christmas time, when the Christmas just gone, I ordered a whole load of stuff to do a unboxing with, and I kind of just shoved it in the corner of my room and forgot about it. So now I generally can't remember what I bought, so it is like a real unboxing for me now. It's gonna be exciting. So I ordered a few things from Toby, all cat related. The first thing I'm gonna start with actually is something my mum got me for my birthday, which was yesterday. I don't know when yesterday will be in regards to when I upload this. So it was the 27th of June anyway, let's leave it like that. So my mum ordered me a mirror that I really wanted. How friggin' cute is this? So it's a little pocket mirror. Whoop. And obviously I smoke as well, so cute, deadly. Come on. And he very kindly sent it also with a sticker, which I'm going to put on my laptop. The cute thing as well was with all of Toby's orders is he sends you a little discount coupon and a thank you card, which this one says thanks Lorraine, which is my mum. Right. First unboxing. So what did I order? So a little thing. Thanks Paige, hope you heart the brooch. Oh, okay, so I obviously ordered myself a brooch. Really bad that I buy all this shit and I don't even remember it. Oh, hell yeah. This card certifies that blank 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 is an official member of the Super Fun Club. I need to write my name on that. I mean, obviously you are all members of my cat club too, but this is like the Super Fun Club. So, open this one up. Oh, how cute is that though? Okay, I do remember ordering this. How sweet is this little brooch though? To be honest, I think the main reason I ordered that was I'm making an eater bag at the moment of like loads of cat stuff. But yeah, that's really cool. Onto the second box. Oh, look at all these goodies. Oh my goodness. He has sent me some badges. So the first one is this little kitty one here. And the second one, oh, awesome. I did have this at the patch at some point. Fuck yeah. I'm gonna start with this one. Oh, I just love the stickers so much on this stuff. Oh my gosh, when did I order these? Oh my god, it's so cute. Right, so the first one is this skull cat pin. I do have this as a patch, but now I have it as a pin, and it has two fastenings on the back to secure it. Next up is this Tamagotchi cat pin. It's so cute. And finally we have, it's like the other version of the skull cat, obviously a nasted cat. Oh, that's so cute. Those are all gonna go on my eater bag when I finish making it. Right, next one. What are these? Badges! Okay. The first one is don't fucking tell me what to do. And the second one is I don't give a fuck. I know I didn't order this. I think it was a free gift because I'd spent so much. But it's a tree decoration. How sweet is this? It's the moon and the cat. That is definitely going on my tree at Christmas. A sticker, and my bad Japanese is something ga ski. like love. I don't know, is that rainbow? Another card, and this one says be nice. And there's also a postcard in here. And the final thing in this bag is a bag, because I can't go like a week without buying a bag at some point. So let's open this up. Oh, amazing! This says, I like cats more than people, and this is just a little tote bag. And it's very true, I do like cats more than people. Right, so now we're on to the final box, which is the biggest box. He wraps everything so nicely, so nicely. Okay, so, oh, I got more free stuff. So I got a big cat head sticker, another thank you card which says Happy New Year, Paige. So obviously I ordered this Christmas New Year time. I do believe this is a t-shirt. How cute is that sticker though? Now it's summertime, this is like the perfect time of the year to wear this. It's a white t-shirt that says, I cannot wait to wear this. So true, so true. These I believe are the same, because I love these notepads. Well, I've given away this notepad so much. It says, get shit done. And I do already have one of these, which I'm like nearly at the end of, and I use it as my like shopping list, to-do list. And these are really cheap as well, they're like 5-6 quid, and you get quite a lot of sheets in them. And finally, I do believe this is my print. So I remember ordering this, and if I remember correctly, I already own it. Yep, already own it, because it's right there. And now I have a second one, which says Dog's Guard, Cat's Watch, and Judge. So yeah guys, that was my unboxing haul. Not a review, because I fucking love it. But that was my unboxing of I Like Cats. You can check out I Like Cats on Etsy, and I'll pop a link down below. You can also check them out on Instagram. But yeah, please support Toby and what he does, because it's really cute stuff. You don't find it anywhere else, and yeah, super cute. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.